Hey guys, it's me Bria. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with VICTON's second single album, Mayday. I'm so excited to have this. I love VICTON so much, and I'm so excited about this comeback. And yes, so I actually have 2 of each copy. I actually ordered one more set from M-Wave. It's going to be signed, but that's going to take too long to actually have for the unboxing. So this is what I have so far. I bought these from, where did I buy them from? MyMusictaste, that's where I bought them from, and you get MyMusictaste cards, so I'll show those in just a second. And yeah, let's just get started. So I'll just put these 2 off to the side. I basically bought 2 sets because of the CD plates, and also I collect 3 members, so I just wanted to kind of get ahead of the collecting, and buying for VICTON is pretty hard, and honestly just collecting them is really hard, so I wanted to help myself along. So yeah, so I'm gonna show them my music taste cards. So I actually ordered with my friend our album, so I've actually already seen my music taste cards, and I do know my pulls for most of the albums, so yeah, sorry about that, not gonna be surprised, but we ordered together and I wanted to open them with her. So for my music taste cards, I did get Sungwoo's, Sungshik's, Chan, Hansei, Youngchan, and I don't have room. And I did get Subin, and then I got this Hansei, and I actually got one more Hansei, but he's in my phone case. I just need to trade this off for Sejun, and then I'll have the full set. So yeah, I'm really excited and happy about that. So yeah, that's those cards. Whoops. But yeah, I got 3 Hanseis, but one of them is in my phone case already because he's my bias, and I need 2 of those, quite frankly. So yeah, we'll start with the, I don't actually remember what the first version was, but we'll start with the outdoor version because it's my favorite. So yeah. So here is the front. This is like a slip cover, and then this is the back. So it just says Mayday, Mayday the instrumental, and then New World. This is the CD only, so it actually has Sungwoo on it, which is crazy. I love New World. It's like one of my top songs. So yeah, and then up here it just says Play and Entertainment, and then all the like stuff. And yeah, the front is so pretty. So I'm gonna actually take the slip off to show you what it looks like. Oh, I forgot to show the side. So this is the side. Super cute. Okay. The like pulls are actually in like inside the cover, so I want to be careful. So this is what it looks like without the slip. Okay, we'll move her. Okay, so I don't want to show that, so I'll just kind of cover it up. So this is the Mayday version, and here we are. I'm so excited to look through this. I actually haven't properly looked through these, so yay. Oh my god, the flowers on his cheek. Oh my god. Someone looks so pretty. I mean, he always looks so good, but wow. He looks so pretty. I love this blue color. And his outfit is so cute. Oh my god, Sungshik. I've seen his photo card in this like purpley outfit with like the little peace sign. It is such a cute photo card. Like, oh my god. And we have the Mayday lyrics. And then Chan. He is so pretty this comeback. Wow. This is my friend's bias, and honestly, he's so cute. Like, oh my god. I love him. Honestly, I love him so much because she's always talking about him. Like, I know too much about him, but honestly, I'm always talking about Hansei, so she probably knows way too much about him. And oh my god, Seiju's hair is everything. Like, at first when he cut it, I was like, oh my god, your hair, it was so cute and good. And now I'm like, okay, wait, I get it. Like, it looks really good. It reminds me of like when Bam Bam cut his hair. Like, it just needs to grow out a little bit after they cut it for it to like look good, but it looks so good. He looks really hot. I love the lyrics that are inside the like album. I think that's really cool. This is so pretty. Oh my god, look at him. Oh. His hair is now pink and oh my god, am I okay? I'm not okay. That's what it is. The M Countdown performance, him in it, that outfit, his bat tattoo. Oh my god. Like, I am not okay. He is something else. This purple suit is everything. Oh, whoopsie. And then Byungchan, who I am famous for pulling. Oh my god, me and my friend, we only pull him. Like, if he was my bias, I'd basically be done collecting him because I pull him so often. He looks so pretty. Honestly, this photo book is like my favorite. I love this so much. Oh my god, Subin is so hot this comeback. His silver hair is everything. Like, wow. He can't look hotter. Like, how? And also this yellow, it matches really well. Like, he looks so good. I like need his photo cards and I need his postcards, and big sigh. And it has their names. That's so cool. I love that. And then the credits. And then, oh, so my random CD plate is Subin, which I was so excited about. Like, the fact that I even got like a top 3 member was surprising to me. Like, I don't know what I was expecting, but I'm happy. So yeah. And then for the pulls, I'll show you what I got. So we'll just kind of pull that out. Okay. So for the standee, I got Chan. We actually pulled him so many times, but I'm excited. I'm gonna definitely keep him. He's so hot in that picture. And then I don't want to show my photo card. And then for the postcard, I got Sungshik. Again, we got this version of his so many times. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be traded off for one of Hansei's postcards. And then for the photo card, I pulled Sungwoo, which yay. He's so cute. I don't collect him, but this photo card is so cute, but I am going to be trading it off for Hansei's equivalent. So yeah. So here is the black version of the album, or this is the Mayday version, but in French. So Mayday, Mayday. Side, back. It's kind of shiny, so it's hard to see. But I'll just take off the silk cover again. Okay, let me have... There we are. Okay, so again, that's the front page. It just says Mayday. So we start off with these group pics. I love black and white concepts. Like, I know some people just don't, but I love black and white concepts, and this is definitely such a good black and white concept. Like, the outfits are good, the setting is good, they look all good. It's just really, really good. And this like whole like chair like dead flower theme is so good. Like, it's really hot. Like, I don't really know what to call this like theme, but it's really, really good. His jewelry, wow. I'm living for the lyrics and like throughout the album. Oh wow. He's wearing shorts. I know in his standee he's also wearing shorts, and I don't know why, but every time my idol's wearing shorts and like no one else in their group is, I always think they stand out a lot, and it's kind of weird. Especially for like darker concepts, I don't understand why they're wearing shorts, but I don't know, that's weird. This flower, I wish was a photo of a member, but okay, take a page. Oh, whoa. That's cool. I would never like break it so I could see the photo in full, but that's really cool. See, he's wearing shorts and I don't know why I find that awkward. Oh, this photo's so good. I've been listening to Mayday since it's come out, and it is such a good song. Like, I listen to it all the time on loop. It is one song, like, I can't. It is so good, though. And, like, Sungwoo's rap part, Hanse's rap, and the bridge is probably, like, the bridge is actually my favorite part of the song. Surprisingly, Hanse's rap is not my favorite part, even though he's my bias. Like, the bridge is my favorite. I, like, love that part so much, and I will replay just that part on, like, loop. I will, like, loop it. It's my favorite thing. And I also do like Hanse's rap, like, so I do listen to that part a lot, but I also listen to the whole song a lot. He looks really good right there. I'm like, wow. Oh my god, he looks so good. I'm so sad. Whoa, look at him there. Damn, son. His hair was definitely shocking when it first got released, but now I love it so much. Like, I don't know, he just works it, like, wow. And like the ponytail he does with it is so cute, and I'm so sad. Oh, he's wearing shorts too. I did not know that. Okay. Well, never mind. It's not that weird that Samshik was wearing shorts. I don't know why. I just don't like this concept's so dark, so the fact that they're wearing shorts just like, I don't like, it's weird to me. Oh wow, Subin. Look at him. Wow. I forget all the time. Oops. I forget all the time he was born in 99. Like, I don't know. The rest of the group is like older, I guess, so I always forget he was born in 99. And like Mark Lee from NCT was born in 99. That pair, like that, what? Makes little sense to me, but he looks so hot. Like, he just looks older than what year he was born to me. Wow. This is his concept. Like, this is really his concept. He won. And then my, oh no, wait. And we have this page and the credits, and then my CD is, oh, also Subin. Oh my god, yay. I forgot what CDs I actually got when we were like trading around our albums. So yes, I did not get Hanse CDs, just to tell you guys, so that's why I'm kind of forgetting what CDs I had, because if it wasn't Hanse, I don't think I'd, like, I just didn't remember. And also I was at work all day today, so my brain is like kind of mushy. I'm tired. So let's pull out stuff. I think I remember, I think the standee's Hanse, I can't remember. No, it's Subin. Oh yay. Actually I'm excited that I have this, I forgot. And then the postcards. Ooh, Sejun, yes. Okay, this Sejun we also got, I think, a couple of, so I was excited about that. And then photocard with Byung-chan. Again, we pulled, I think I pulled his set and then gave her one of them for a card that's in my other album. I'll show you. But yeah, I pull him so much. So let me move this away. Here's my other two albums. I'll just show you. So for the CD plate for this one, I got Byung-chan, who I'm actually trading off for Hanse. Unless I can just buy Hanse's like CD plate with an album, I will, and just keep Byung-chan, because I like CD plates a lot. And I also have Byung-chan's other one, I remember that. So if I can just get Hanse's, I'll probably keep Byung-chan, just because I have his set, and that'd be cool. But we'll see. And then inside here, I'll pull that out. Okay, I need the standee. So for this version, I got Chun's standee again. I told you I pulled a lot of him, and I don't remember how many I got of his. And then I did get Hanse's, I do remember that. So yay. He looks so much bigger than his. But yay, so I need to trade off to Sejun. So I'm gonna trade Chun off to Sejun. And then for the postcard, oh, Subin, I remember this, yay, I'm so happy. Like, so excited to pull that with her. And then Oh yeah, Hansei. She actually ordered a set from K-Town, and when it came like a day after, like we opened our albums, and then the day after her other set came, and she pulled this, and so I gave her another one of those Sungchicks that from earlier. So now she has like, I'm thinking like 5 of them. It's kind of funny. And then for the photo card, ooh, Sejun, I remember this, yay. So I'm keeping that, and I know this one's Hansei because I remember I did get one Hansei, so yay. So the other Byungchan, the black version, will be trading off to either Subin or Sejun's equivalent. Okay guys, so that was my VICTON Mayday unboxing. I'm really happy about the pulls I got. Again, these are not my original pulls. I bought a bunch of VICTON albums with my friend, and we kind of just mixed and matched around like what we wanted for our biases, and I only bought 2 sets. I kind of wish I bought more. I think she bought like 4, and honestly, should have took a page out of her book and did the same, but that's okay. These are the My Music Taste cards I got up here. I just need a trade for Sejun. Kind of annoying, but I pulled a bunch of Hansei, so that's fine. Like, I'm definitely keeping, I pulled 3 of this, definitely keeping one of them in my phone case. It's already there. And then I'm excited about the postcards I got for each of my bias, and I got 2 bias photo cards and 2 bias standees. Just got a trade for Sejun's, and I don't know, I'm really excited. Also, Subin's CD plate, like I got both of them, which I'm so happy about. You know, work on getting Hansei's because like he's my bias, but that'll happen and I'll work on it. And yeah, I just love this album. I love both versions so much. I love the song, and I just love VICTON. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my K-pop videos, then subscribe down below and comment your VICTON bias, like who's your bias in VICTON, and also your favorite song from them. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.